Okay, so welcome to the CPM podcast. And today we have Harshit Bail, the CEO and the co-founder of Shelfie Book. Hi, Harshit.
Hi, Chaitanya. What's up? Thank you for having me over, man. Means a lot. How are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm good. So, sir, tell us about basically आप ये बताइए सर कि Shelfie Book है क्या हमारी ऑडियंस को?
पहली बात तो प्लीज यू डोंट कॉल मी सर, ठीक है? मैं पहले भी ये चीज बताना चाहता था तेरे को कि आई लाइक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज मैन, सो
या
दैट
नहीं
इज
सर, एक्सपीरियंस में सर आप बहुत बड़े हैं हमसे.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ओके, सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू शेल्फी बुक, सो इफ यू वुड like us to put it in one sentence, then it would be that we started this company with a name that everything that comes under the education of umbrella, we would like to provide it to people at a affordable or a at a reasonable price, because education के साथ ना ये perception जुड़ गया है कि the higher quality of education, the higher you have to pay, but we have to change that. So that is what our aim is when it comes to Shelfie Book as a whole.
So basically first of all I need to tell you this कि सर मैं आपको हर जगह फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. मतलब हर जगह, मतलब आपको हर जगह देख रहा हूँ कि यार दिस पर्सन इज डूइंग दिस. तो जो मेन फोकस है आजकल का यूथ का इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट. तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट को कैसे मतलब करें हम एक
मैं अगर ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो स्टार्टिंग में मेरी टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत खराब थी व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टू यूज इन लाइक इन 10th क्लास और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो the point is, the thing about time management which people usually don't understand is that time management is something that it is a hit and trial thing. ठीक है कि मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कौन सा टाइम टेबल मुझे सूट करता है. अगर वो मुझे सूट करता है देन आई गो फॉर इट, नहीं तो मैं चेंजेस करता हूँ. बट व्हाट पीपल थिंक इज कि हम ऑनलाइन जाएंगे और टाइप करेंगे टाइम टेबल टू स्टडी या फिर टाइम टेबल टू डू दिस एंड डू दैट, और जो बेस्ट टाइम टेबल आएगा वो हम शेयर करेंगे. अब जैसे कि मैंने अपने टाइम पे 12th के टाइम पे अमन अग्रवाल के टाइम टेबल्स बहुत फॉलो करे थे. सो द पॉइंट इज दे आर इन जनरल timetables, you have to mold them according to your own pace. So when it comes to time management, it is like hit and trial only. तुम बस ट्राई कर सकते हो कि हाँ मेरे को maybe I'm more productive in the morning, maybe I'm more productive in the evening, maybe I'm productive in the afternoon, late at night, whatever. But it's completely dependent on how willing you are to complete the work and the hit and trials that you completely you try to do.
अच्छा, so sir, sorry for calling you sir because habit है.
Harshit.
पहले तो हर्षित. So basically आप ये पहले हमें बताइए कि सर फिर से what was your parents reaction कि यार अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बोलूंगा कि डैड मुझे एक स्टार्टअप खोलना है कि ऐसा ऐसा चीज है, my dad would say me that बॉस चुपचाप पढ़ाई करो और अपना जो करना है करो, ये सब कुछ नहीं. So आपने कन्विंस कैसे किया अपने मॉम डैड को कि यार मुझे स्टार्टअप मेरा
in my case I was very lucky that I didn't have to convince anyone, because the point is that from the starting also they also had something like this, that they wanted to do something of their own, but due to all this thing they were not able to do so. So when my phase came up, when I was like I have to do something of my own, and I told them it was more like a guidance ki if you are trying to do something then try to do it in your own field, because I was coming up. तो ऐसा होता है ना कि यार जब तुम स्टार्ट करने का सोचो तो हर टाइप का आइडिया आती है, ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं. बट the key factor which is like which has been the key for me is कि तुम्हें सारी दुनिया की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करनी है, तुम्हें अपनी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू find a solution to it, and that becomes your next $1 million idea, or that becomes your next startup idea. So for me, as I said, touchwood, I got very lucky कि I didn't have to convince them, and they were like very supportive from the starting towards it.
Lucky you sir, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो यूजुअली ऐसा होता नहीं है. हमें तो सर मतलब हमें तो एक पढ़ता है और चुपचाप काम करो, जो if you're doing law you have to do law and जो भी हो रहा है. So मतलब हर्षित टेल मी कि यार 2-3 कोई कुछ होंगे जिन्होंने आपको बहुत ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किया होगा और बोला, मतलब कि आपके मेंटोर्स होंगे कि यार मुझे ऐसा करना है, मुझे ऐसा बनना है, ऐसे कोई थे कि आपकी मतलब आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी?
Yes. So there is this first person who was Gary Vee, obviously. Okay, so I've been following Gary Vaynerchuk from like a long time on all social media platforms जहाँ पे भी available है. So that person is like very much. And secondly, Aman Agarwal also, because the way he speaks, the way he convinces people and influences people, that kind of power is something you would always love to have. कि हाँ हम भी लोगों को ऐसे convince कर पाए, ऐसे charismatic उनका speech रहता है. And I guess ये last वाला would be too cliche, but सबके list में हो सकता है. But Jeff Bezos was someone who I was always like कि yes, he has always. I'm not saying he's
Yeah, to
always
be
done the right thing, but he has like done great things in his life. You were saying?
आजकल बेसिकली बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है कि यार ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स का बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एक्सपैंड हो रही है सब चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें कि यार सो अगर आपको हमें ऑनलाइन ढूंढना है तो हम कैसे आपको ढूंढेंगे. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर आपको वी हैव टू सी की बॉस मुझे हर्षित की आई वांट दिस बुक, और जो भी आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो अभी, मतलब जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो आप आगे जाकर एक्सपैंड करते हो सब चीजों को. सो आपको अगर ढूंढना हो हमें कि मतलब कि वेयर कैन द लिसनर्स फाइंड यू ऑनलाइन.
All right. So if you are trying to find my ventures, then you can. If you want to find it on Instagram, you can write Shelfie Book. You can write Shelfie Book Book Festival, right? So these two things can pop up. Okay, we have another venture named Courses by Shelfie Book, but the name would be changed and everything would be changed very soon because we are working on a new project. So you can find me on Instagram by the name Shelfie Book. Same name you can use on Facebook and other social media platforms. If you want to visit our website, you can use www.shelfiebook.in and all the details would come there. And if you want to find me, I'm on Instagram, Harshit_Bahl. Harshit_Bahl. Yeah, that's my username.
Okay, so guys, जो भी Harshit told मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा YouTube के, and you can check it out. And so Harshit, मतलब कि how did you come up with this idea कि यार मतलब यही करना है मुझे, as you told me कि यार your brother is also into this business.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So like
well, it's like as I said na कि starting, you know, when our 9th class was ending and we were about to enter 10th, so there was this phase कि मेरे को कुछ करना है, कुछ करना है, there is something I have to start. So as I said, I was coming up with all stupid ideas. ऐसा कर लेते हैं, वैसा कर लेते हैं, etc. They were very cringy and stupid ideas. So as I said, I had a word about them with my father, right? I had a word with them about my father. So and he told me that why not you go for, you know, something that a problem which you are facing, right? A problem which you think that is genuinely the concern. Because जब तक मैं एक problem को feel नहीं करूँगा, मैं उसको experience नहीं करूँगा, मैं उसका एक अच्छा solution नहीं निकाल पाऊँगा, मैं लोगों से relate नहीं कर पाऊँगा. Entrepreneurship is about getting, you know, being related to other people, एक relation strike करना, और उसी रिलेशन से आप मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो, उसी रिलेशन से आप सेल्स कर सकते हो. Till the time you don't feel the objective, you will not be able to grow it better. So then only we started brainstorming कि क्या कर सकते हैं. So this 1 rupee book वाला idea came to our mind. We started with that, and then starting from books, we got into other type of books. We got into novels. We got into we got basically into novels. Then we basically got into courses. So it's like one after another. First, you have to find an idea which will give you sufficient number of people and resources. जब आपके पास वो आ जाए, then you can start, you know, finding more and more problems, I guess, or like more and more things which you can work on.
So how do you plan to expand your मतलब your business? मतलब कि यार मुझे एक होता है ना idea कि बॉस मुझे अब ये करना है, after this I have to do this. कुछ planning होगी सर आप मतलब?
Yeah. So अभी जैसे कि recently we did a book festival. It was called the Shelfie Book Book Festival. So we did it in March in Delhi. So we are planning to do, once the lockdown is over, I hope everything is over very soon, right? So we have one like festival ready for each state in India. So as soon as the lockdown gets over, we are most probably going to travel a lot to all parts of India for doing this festival, which we are doing. And I personally feel that is our way to go, because अभी 2-3 साल से हमने market को you know analyze किया है, observe किया है कि there are people are longing to go out, they want to visit, they want to buy books, they want to touch books, they want to feel the pages, right? So for if you want to cater to that kind of audience, you have to go out in the physical. So that is what we are planning to do. We are planning to go physical as of now. And when it comes to our other educational ventures, which is courses and everything, we are planning to launch a new concept to it, which I cannot reveal right now, but it will be out really soon, like in a week or so. So I hope you guys will like it if you somehow make it to that page.
Okay, so most of the people have this question कि यार, for example, hypothetically, I want to call Chetan Bhagat कि boss मुझे ये I want this person in my event और ये सब चीजें. So sir, how to contact them? क्योंकि most of the people have no clue कि कैसे उनको contact करें, and obviously आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाए अपने events में, वो सब चीजें, तो tell us about that.
Okay, so when it comes to authors, तो authors को बुलाने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा यही चीज़ रहता है कि you have to contact the publishers. You can directly message the authors or mail them. आपको उनकी email ID बहुत easily उनके Instagrams के ऊपर मिल जाएगी. So that is one way. But there are some authors who want things in exchange, right? So that depends on author to author whether you're willing to pay them, whether you are willing to buy their copies. And if it comes to any other celebrity also, the best way to reaching out to them is, अभी तो point है कि हमारे पास तो resources इतने सारे हैं. We can message anyone on Instagram, okay? And if we are lucky, they will see it and they'll reply to it. It has happened with us many times, right? कि हमने किसी को message करा है, we have messaged Chetan Bhagat, we have messaged Amish Tripathi, and they are like, yeah, we'll be more than interested to do it, and they are like, okay, let's do it. But if that doesn't happen, then I guess email. This is the best thing. This is the only thing which we did, right? So you write an email to them, you write an email to their managers, you write an email to their marketing firms, right? And you wait. It's a very, very long procedure. You have to be very patient. You don't have to lose hope, but this is the only way to reach out to them.
Okay, so ये तो बहुत टाइम से मेरे माइंड में था. थैंक यू फॉर क्लियरिंग इट. और बहुत जो भी लोग देख रहे होंगे, ये उनके माइंड में पक्का क्वेश्चन होगा. ओके, सो मतलब वन मोर क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव मतलब टू समवन जो मतलब कि सेम करियर सिमिलर टू यू स्टार्ट कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल कि कोई ऐसा ही है कि जो बुक्स के अंदर मतलब कि बहुत सिमिलर, मतलब जो आपका बिजनेस है ऐसी सिमिलर स्टार्ट कर रहा है, तो उसको क्या एडवाइस दोगे आप?
Okay, so I guess this is a common advice for all the people, those who are entering into the e-commerce field, right? So first one is that make sure that you have a good supply chain, right? And secondly, the point about why I feel that major like startups, the e-commerce startups are failing these days. The very small part is customer behavior, right? So I don't know if I should say this or not, but जो Indian consumer है और जो Indian customer है ना, ये हमारा human nature होता है. हम suppress उसको करते हैं या फिर हम उसको नीचा दिखाते हैं जिसको हम दिखा सकते हैं, right? जिससे हम dominant होते हैं. So small businesses, for us, every customer is important, right? And the customer knows that. So they would try to exert a lot of pressure on you. They will try to bend your ways, क्योंकि देखो जो गलती आपसे हुई है वो सेम गलती Amazon से भी होती है. But the point is वो Amazon को कुछ कह नहीं सकते, but वो आपको कह सकते हैं. They'll make sure they'll give you a hard time about it. So be prepared for customer dealing. You should have a very, very good customer dealing, because no matter how good the customer, there will be good customers, there will be bad customers, there will be annoying customers, then there will be stupid fucking customers also, right? So you have to be very patient with them, and secondly, you have to have a good supply chain. Yeah, these are the two most important things and just be patient, just be relaxed. There will be many times when you'll be feeling like कि अब तो नहीं हो पाएगा, but there will always be a way.
Okay, so like there is Flipkart, there is Amazon, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो जैसे Flipkart के पास e-cart होता है कि वो उससे डिलीवर करती है चीजें. So for example कि if I order one book, मतलब ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करूंगा from your site, so मतलब how would you deliver it to my place? कि मतलब किसी को contact करना पड़ता है, हमें एक एजेंसी को contact करना पड़ेगा?
It's a very, very normal procedure. अब जैसे कि मैंने कहा ना कि अब तो बहुत सारी चीजें हाईटेक हो चुकी हैं, because everybody is looking for business. So as soon as you start an e-commerce website, you can reach out to any delivery company. For example, you can reach out to e-cart, you can reach out to DTDC, right? And वो आपको एक सेंटर देंगे. यूजुअली उनका ये होता है कि they'll give you a panel on your laptop, right? उनकी वेबसाइट होती है, उसके ऊपर आपका अकाउंट लॉगिन होता है. आप वहाँ पर अपनी डिलीवरी स्लिप्स बनाओ, जो भी आपने डेटा अपलोड करना है आप करो, right? You print out the slips, you paste it, and then you send it. There people will come, they'll pick it up from a warehouse, they'll pick it up from your office, and they'll just take it. So कंज्यूमर एंड के ऊपर आपने सिर्फ ऑर्डर प्लेस करा और बाकी सारी चीजें जो होती हैं वो हमारे एंड के ऊपर आती है कि जैसे ऑर्डर प्लेस होगा we'll have to give the details to the delivery company and they'll come and pick it up and then they'll give it to you.
अच्छा, so basically अभी शेल्फी बुक इतना ग्रो कर रहा है and obviously the main credit goes to you क्योंकि
नहीं,
अच्छा,
वो तो that is very wrong to say. Sorry to interrupt you, but because देखो आप लोगों का point of contact में हूँ, so you feel like कि this is the only person who is working here, but what you don't know is that there are 10 other people who are working. ठीक है, जितना मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उतना ही वो काम कर रहे हैं, या उतना ही वो काम कर रहे हैं. अलग अलग फील्ड्स उन लोगों ने संभाल रखी है. एंड this one point which I've realized from the starting is कि अगर आप e-commerce जैसी कोई चीज स्टार्ट करने का सोच रहे हो तो there is no way one person can handle it. I'm pretty sure कि अगर starting में if my brother would not have helped me and if Rao also if he wouldn't have helped me and the people who are working with us वो help ना करते तो this would have been a very big blunder और I guess 2-3 महीने के अंदर ही सब कुछ बंद हो चुका होता.
So मतलब आपको मतलब for example I have started one company and मुझे एक मतलब जो सिमिलर लोग हैं I want staff कि बॉस मुझे ये हेल्प चाहिए ये सब चाहिए, तो हमें मतलब हम लोग कैसे उनके पास जाए and tell them बॉस मुझे I am started मतलब with this company and I want you as my member, ये सब चीजें मतलब वो कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया? Like you have 10 people in your staff, so उनको contact कैसे किया आपने कि I'm starting with this company?
All the people ये जैसे लोग हैं ना कि they all are I knew them पहले भी, ठीक है, so maybe from school या फिर they were friends. जैसे कि अभी हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, you are taking this podcast, there are 2 of your friends, ठीक है, इनको आप पहले जानते होगे as friends, right? So why did you get them? Because you felt like कि the thing which you are passionate about, they are equally passionate about the same thing. So you don't have to find employees. I feel like you have to find like-minded people. Like-minded people, when you find like-minded people in a startup, in an early stage startup, that is when you find a good core team and वहाँ से determine होती है आपके startup की age की कितना आगे तक आप जा पाओगे. So like-minded people is what we are looking for right now, not employees. Because employee is someone जिसको आप काम देते हो, खुद सोच के आप काम देते हो. But when it comes to a new startup जो अभी शुरू हुआ है, it's all about thinking, it's all about brainstorming. लोगों को अपना दिमाग खुद लगाना पड़ता है. तो you need people those who are equally passionate, those who are like-minded, ताकि आप उनके साथ बिल्कुल एक same tuning में काम कर सकें.
अच्छा, so Harshit, what is one thing that you wish you would have known before starting Selfie Book? बिल्कुल initial starting में मतलब कि पता होना चाहिए था कि यार मुझे ये पता होता तो मैं शायद और फ्लरिश कर लेता.
Right, so it was definitely about if I would have known the importance of finding a good supply chain, finding steady suppliers, right? And just like कि कुछ चीजें हमने with experience भी gain करी हैं यार. And the point is वो experience मुझे कोई दे नहीं सकता था. But हाँ, if I would have had that experience of marketing, of sales, of how things work around in the industry, so yeah, I would have been at a better space. But that is something, as I said, that जो हमने experience के साथ gain करी है, तो वो चीज चाह के भी मुझे कोई पहले नहीं सिखा सकता था till the time मैं उस field में ना जाता. So yeah, before just it's like कि before अगर आप अच्छे से research करके चलो अपनी field की, but don't spend too much time researching, right? Just research की how is the market operating right now, अभी क्या चल रहा है, what is it that people are buying, जो आपके competitors हैं उनका analysis करो, right? आपको suppliers पता होने चाहिए, you should know the end points, you should know the starting points. तो ये सारी चीजें दिमाग के अंदर होनी चाहिए, because on the way आप figure out करो ना, तो on the way there are many other things which you have to think about. तो एक excess burden बन जाता है आपके सर के ऊपर कि ये पहले सोच लिया होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता.
Okay, so thank you so much, Harshit, for joining us. And one last thing, ये जो CPM podcast है उसके अंदर हम one question is from your side to me कि you can ask me any question. वैसे तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है ऐसा कुछ भी at such.
मैंने ऐसा क्यों नहीं, आपने podcast किया तो मैं आपसे उसके regarding question पूछ सकता हूँ कि Chaitanya sir, that what made you start this podcast?
Sir, I have started this podcast क्योंकि basically for the people who I get inspired from, and so that कि मैं उनके बारे में जान सकूं. First of all, मेरे viewers के लिए तो मैं करता ही हूँ ये, but first of all मैं अपने लिए खुद करता हूँ कि यार मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ gain कर पाऊँ इन सब चीजों से. And guys, Harshit Ko is with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me, man.
Thank you so much.